Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever found yourself caught between packing a flat iron and an iron for your clothes, only to realize there's simply no room left in your suitcase? Well, what if I told you there's a clever solution that handles both with ease? Meet the Conair Travel Iron 2-in-1, the ultimate travel companion designed to save you time, space, and the hassle of juggling multiple devices. The Conair Travel Iron 2-in-1 combines the power of a flat iron and a clothing iron into one compact device. Featuring ceramic technology, it promises to offer smooth, sleek hair and wrinkle-free clothes with minimal effort. Whether you're getting ready for a night out or just want to freshen up your look while on the go, this nifty little tool can handle it all. With dual voltage capabilities, it works wherever your travels take you, making it an ideal addition to your packing list. Let's break down the main features. The inner plates of the flat iron heat up to 395 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for achieving sleek, straight hair with minimal heat damage, thanks to the ceramic technology that ensures an even distribution of heat. The outer plates, designed to function as a clothing iron, heat up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for removing wrinkles on garments without scorching them. The best part? It's all housed in a travel-friendly, compact design, so you won't have to sacrifice precious luggage space. Now, onto how it performs in real-world use. Incorporating the Conair Travel Iron into your daily routine is a breeze. For hair, I found that it did a solid job straightening my locks without snagging or causing too much heat damage. The plates glide smoothly, and I was able to get a polished look in no time. When using it on clothes, I was impressed with how effectively it smoothed out wrinkles, even on fabrics that are typically a challenge like cotton and linen. The dual functionality is a true game changer for those who need to stay fresh on the go. However, there are a couple of things to note. While it's great for quick touch-ups, if you're looking for a high-end, professional-grade iron for hair or clothes, this might not be the right fit. It works best for travel or everyday use, not for heavy-duty styling or ironing. Additionally, the 395-degree temperature setting for hair might not be enough for those with thicker or more unruly hair, so keep that in mind if you're looking for a high-heat option. Let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: dual functionality, straightens hair and irons clothes. Compact and travel-friendly design, ceramic technology for gentle, even heat distribution. Dual voltage, perfect for international travel, affordable price for the value it offers. Cons: not powerful enough for very thick or coarse hair. Limited temperature range, may not suit everyone. Not ideal for heavy-duty use, best for travel and light touch-ups. As for value for money, the Conair Travel Iron offers solid functionality at an affordable price point. Considering its ability to serve as both a hair straightener and a clothing iron, it gives good value for those who need a reliable travel accessory that doesn't take up too much space. However, if you're used to high-performance tools, you might find it a bit lacking in heat power and precision. In terms of build quality, the materials are sturdy enough for everyday use, though it's definitely geared toward travelers rather than heavy-duty home styling. Its compact design is ideal for packing, and its dual voltage feature ensures you'll be able to use it worldwide. Just be mindful that, like any compact tool, it won't have the longevity of larger, more expensive counterparts designed for professional use. I haven't had direct contact with Conair's customer support for this product, but based on their reputation for reliable products and good customer service in general, I'd expect any issues to be handled well. They've been a trusted brand in the travel accessory space for years, and they're known for their quality customer care. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that also works for travel but still offers decent performance, you might want to check out a few other portable irons out there. Some of them offer similar features, though they might not have the dual functionality aspect of this Conair iron. That said, for its price, the Conair Travel Iron holds up well compared to others in the same category. In summary, the Conair Travel Iron 2-in-1 is a great option for travelers who need both a flat iron and an iron in one compact device. It's perfect for those who want to look fresh without having to haul around multiple gadgets. If you're someone who's constantly on the move or just needs quick touch-ups, this product could be a fantastic addition to your travel kit. While it may not be the most powerful tool for professional grade styling, it's certainly reliable and gets the job done. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used the Conair Travel Iron, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.